You can see the snow outside the window. It's only just started snowing. I can see how much snow comes down in the time we're sitting here just staring outside. That yellow thing is the bloody light going, the flash going over the picture. Sorry about that. Here, one of those, like a CCTV camera of snow falling outside. It's a lot of snow for such a short period of time. Should be settling quite fast. It's freezing cold outside. Not very exciting, I admit. I really don't want it to snow as I've got some work on tomorrow. It's worth £75. It won't be worth fuck all if it snows like this. Might have to give up on it or just accept the fact that there's going to be no work.